Good morning. The next article is quotient or division of complex numbers. In the earlier lecture, we talked about multiplication of complex numbers. Now, let us go to the fourth algebra, division of complex numbers. Let us consider two complex numbers. Z1 is equal to x1 plus iy1, equation number 1. Z2 is equal to x2 plus iy2, equation number 2. As we know, addition of two complex numbers is a complex number, subtraction of two complex numbers is a complex number, and multiplication of two complex numbers is also a complex number. Similarly, division or quotient of two complex numbers is also a complex number that we have to find here. Let us suppose Z is quotient of these two complex numbers, that is Z1 divided by Z2. This is equal to x1 plus iy1 divided by x2 plus iy2. To simplify this, we shall multiply and divide this quotient by x2 minus iy2. This get cancelled and we will have the same term. Let us solve this. x1 into x2 minus I x1 y2 plus I x2 y1 minus I square y1 y2 divided by x2 square minus I x2 y2 plus I x2 y2 minus I square y2 square. This term, these two are same terms with opposite sign. So, this together will become 0. Okay. Then we know I, value of I is square root of minus 1. I square minus of minus plus. So, minus I square is always plus. So, this minus I square is simply to be taken as plus. And we will have this further x1 x2, it has become plus. So, let me write plus y1 y2, real part, imaginary part this and this, take I common, plus I is taken common, x2 y1 minus x1 y2 whole divided by x2 square plus y2 square. This minus I square is plus, so it is y2 square. It means that Z is a complex number which is quotient or division of these two complex numbers. You may split this. Real part of this will be x1 x2 plus y1 y2 divided by x2 square plus y2 square, and the imaginary part is x2 y1 minus x1 y2 divided by x2 square plus y2 square. So, z is also a complex number. This is the real part, this is imaginary part. It means that division of two complex numbers is also a complex number whose real part is given by this, imaginary part is given by this. Z, quotient or division of these two complex numbers will exist if and only if x2 square plus y2 square is not 0 or x2 is not 0, y2 is not 0. When x2 is not 0, y2 is not 0, x2 square plus y2 square is not 0, z will exist. Z will exist, it will be unique quotient of division of these two complex numbers. We have studied addition of complex number, subtraction of complex number, multiplication of complex numbers, division of complex numbers. The algebra of complex numbers, it may be addition, subtraction, multiplication or division. Algebra of complex numbers is always consistent with the algebra of real numbers, because every complex number is expressed as an ordered pair of real variables. This is about the fourth algebra, number 4 algebra, that is quotient or division of two complex numbers. Let us work out one or two problems on quotient or division of two complex numbers. After that, in the next lecture, we shall go for the last algebra, that is conjugate complex or complex conjugate of a complex number, in the next lecture. Till then, let us solve one or two problems on quotient or division of complex numbers. Do division of the given complex numbers. Z1 is equal to 2 plus 3i, Z2 is equal to 4 plus 2i. These are the two complex numbers given. You are asked to find division of these two complex numbers. Formula is Z is equal to Z1 divided by Z2 is equal to x1 x2 plus y1 y2 plus I into x2 y1 minus x1 y2 whole divided by x2 square plus y2 square. Let us put the values. x1 x2 2 into 4 plus y1 y2 3 into 2 plus I into x2 y1 4 into 3 minus x1 y2 2 into 2 divided by x2 square y2 square. 4 4 is 16 plus 2 2 is 4. This is equal to 2 4 is 8, 3 2 is 6, 8 plus 6 14 plus I into 4 3 is 12 minus 2 2 is 4, 12 minus 4 8 divided by 20. This is 14 plus 8I divided by 20 Z. Okay, so this is the answer of division of these two complex numbers. Quickly, let us go for one more problem. First complex number is 6 minus 3i, second complex number is 8 plus 6i. We have to use the same formula. Z is equal to Z1 divided by Z2 is equal to x1 x2 plus y1 y2 plus I into x2 y1 minus x1 y2 divided by x2 square plus y2 square. Let us substitute the values, and that will be equal to x1 x2 6 into 8 plus y1 y2 minus 3 into 6 plus I into x2 y1 8 into minus 3 minus x1 y2 6 into 6 divided by x2 square y2 square 8 square 6 square 8 8s are 64 plus 6 6s are 36. This is equal to 6 8s are 48, 3 6s are 18, 18 is minus, 48 is plus, 48 minus 18, or let me write here 48 minus 18 in one bracket plus I into 8 3s are 24 minus 6 6 are 36 divided by 64 plus 36, it is 100. This is equal to 30 minus 60I divided by 100. 0 0 0 cancelled, it will be 3 minus 6I divided by 10. This is answer for division of these two complex numbers. This way we can have quotient or division of two complex numbers. Hope you understood. In the next lecture, we shall go for the next part of this article, fifth sub-article of this article, that is algebra of complex numbers, and that will be conjugate of complex numbers. We shall deal this in the next lecture. Thank you.